Just get a quick confirmation. I'm audible. Just a quick confirmation in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I'll just share my screen. Okay. I just hope that my screen is visible. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So, good evening. My name is Nikita Goenka, and I will be conducting today's session. So, the topics that we would be covering today are the news and updates section, the FII activity, IPO, and then we'll move to my stockage, and we will be covering the my portfolio and the my watchlist section. After that, we would be moving to the stockage social platform, and we would be then just a second. Okay. Then we would be moving to the Stockit social platform, and then I'll guide you how you can use that platform effectively. Okay. Agnish, can you confirm if my screen is visible now? Okay. Thank you. So yeah. So let's quickly just begin today's session. So starting with news and updates. So this is how the web.stockage app looks like, and going to the news and update section. So this section is updated real time. So as and when any important news related to any particular stock comes up, this section gets updated and it is visible over here. So if there is any large up move or down move, कोई भी स्टॉक में अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा अप मूव या डाउन मूव सडनली मार्केट में ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट आवर्स अगर आपको दिखता है, देन यू कैन जस्ट कम ओवर हियर एंड चेक कि कोई भी स्टॉक में कोई न्यूज तो कहीं नहीं आया है जिसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है. Also, this section is very useful to identify the stocks दैट आर इन एक्शन फॉर द डे. सो अगर आप मॉर्निंग में देखना चाहते हैं कि कौन सा स्टॉक्स आज न्यूज बेस्ड मूवमेंट देने वाले हैं, यू कैन जस्ट कम टू दिस सेक्शन बिफोर द मार्केट ओपन्स, एंड यू कैन जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड सी द स्टॉक्स which have some news related to them, and then you can just know कि these are the stocks that will be in action for the day. So this is a very useful feature that ways, and also it helps you to stay updated with the happenings in the market. Second part of the news and the daily update section is the upcoming section. Under that we have corporate actions. So corporate actions kya hai, if you are aware, bonus, dividend, rights and splits. So these kind of corporate actions stocks they continually they keep declaring, and it is difficult to keep a track of the X dates for all these kinds of corporate actions. तो हमने क्या किया है, we have created this corporate actions calendar for your ease of use. So what you can do is you can just come over here and you can just scroll down डेट वाइज. हमने यहाँ पर मेंशन कर दिया कि कौन से डेट पर कौन सा कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन किस स्टॉक में होने वाला है. सो इफ यू सी फॉर टुडे, क्लेरा इंडस्ट्रीज वाज ट्रेडिंग एक्स बोनस, whereas CAMS, that is Computer Age Management Services, was trading ex dividend. Similarly, for tomorrow, what are the important stocks that you need to focus on? So these are the important stocks that you need to focus on. So DCM Shriram, Deep Industries, Grindwell, Norton, Ingersoll Rand, JK Cement will be trading X special dividend as well as final dividend. JSW Steel will also be trading ex dividend. So these are the stocks that are will be in focus based on corporate actions for tomorrow. ऑल्सो इफ यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सी इंडिविजुअली कि आपको सिर्फ बोनस वाले स्टॉक्स देखने हैं, तो यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर और आपको यहाँ पर बोनस वाइज ये सॉर्ट किया रहेगा कि कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स एक्स बोनस कौन से डेट पर ट्रेड करेंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर डिविडेंड यू कैन क्लिक डिविडेंड, राइट्स, स्प्लिट्स एक्सेट्रा. Also, if you are looking for to understand these corporate actions and how to use this feature, हमने स्टॉकेज में क्या किया है, we have created this information box. तो एवरी फीचर के राइट हैंड साइड में अगर आप इस आई बटन को क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको ये सारे कॉर्पोरेट एक्शंस के बारे में, सारे फीचर्स के बारे में पता लग जाएगा. सो हियर, since we are in the corporate action section, you can just see that why these corporate actions are important, what is an X date, and how you can use this feature. So this makes it easier for us to keep a track of the stocks, that are going to be trading ex corporate actions, be it bonus, dividend, rights, etc. And at the same time, it also helps you to keep a track of your portfolio stocks. तो अगर आपके किसी पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक में कोई डिविडेंड आने वाला है या कोई बोनस ट्रेड करने वाला है, तो उस हिसाब से यू कैन जस्ट कम ओवर हियर एंड जस्ट चेक the stock which is set to be trading x say dividend or x bonus etc. मूविंग टू इवेंट्स, इवेंट्स के अंदर आपको पता चलता है कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट अपकमिंग इवेंट्स जो नॉट ओनली इज रिलेटेड टू इंडिया बट ग्लोबली ऑल्सो. सो for India, we have the domestic inflation data, we have the RBI policy. These kinds of events are updated over here. At the same time, even global events are updated. So if you see for today, some events are happening in Japan, then in Germany, then in Europe. So these kinds of events, they have an impact in the market, and that is why it is important that we keep a track of these events also. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि यूएस में जब FOMC की इंटरेस्ट रेट को लेकर मीटिंग होती है, इट डज हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन द मूवमेंट ऑफ आवर इंडियन मार्केट्स. सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट वी स्टे अपडेटेड कि मीटिंग कब है. Especially for the traders who are trading on a regular basis, it is important that they track these events. That is why we have created this events calendar as well, for you to check it at your fingertips. Moving to the release section, results section. Under results section there are two tabs. So majorly from 11th of September the result section, result season is starting. Quarterly one results will be declared. So TCS is one of the major stocks that is declaring its result on 11th of July. And if you to be able to track the results, और ऑल्सो इतने सारे स्टॉक्स है मार्केट में, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू कीप अ ट्रैक एंड रिमेंबर द डेट्स कि कौन सा स्टॉक कौन से डेट पर अपना रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. सो अगेन यू हैव दिस रिजल्ट सेक्शन इन स्टॉकेज. You can come over here, you can just open, and date wise we have provided you the names of the stocks that will be declaring their results. Also we have been, it is not just available for the current date but even for future dates. You can just scroll down and you can just see. So if you can see on 15th of July, HDFC Life, HDFC Asset Management, Angel One, these companies are set to declare their results. Similarly on 16th of July, Bajaj Auto, L&T Finance, CRISIL. So जैसे जैसे कंपनीज अपने डेट को अनाउंस करते हैं, वैसे वैसे इट इज अपडेटेड ओवर हियर एज वेल. ऑल्सो इट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन इज, हमने यहाँ पर एक 1 वीक का चार्ट आपको दे रखा है, so that you can just see how the stock has been moving in the past 1 week. It gives you an idea of the current trend, current movement of the stock. So this is a very useful section, especially with the result season starting this week. And the second part to it is the released section. सो रिलीज सेक्शन क्या है, जैसे जैसे स्टॉक्स अपने रिजल्ट्स को अनाउंस करते हैं वैसे वैसे एक छोटा सा स्नैपशॉट हमने यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड कर रखा है कि इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू लुक एट द रिजल्ट्स एट अ ग्लांस कि भाई सेल्स, एबिटा या नेट प्रॉफिट कैसा आया है, बिकॉज दीज आर द मेजर आइटम्स दैट वी फोकस ऑन. सो यू कैन जस्ट लुक ओवर हियर. जैसे Shalby Limited declared its results today. So if you can see, a snapshot has been given over here कि इनका sales, EBITDA and net profit is this year on year basis. If you just click on QOQ, it will show you the quarterly numbers. If you want to go to the detailed results, just click over here and it will take you to the detailed numbers. So you can see कि June 2024 यानी कि June quarter, which is the first quarter results, are updated over here. So this is how it has happened. As and when the results are announced, एक snapshot हमने यहाँ पर provide कर रखा है, and फिर आप इस पर click करके आगे जाके पूरा detailed results देख सकते हैं. Also, since you can also compare it with the last 10 results, so be it quarterly, half yearly और annually, जो भी time period आप अपना select करें. तो अभी क्योंकि quarterly results आ रहा है, so you can compare this quarter's results with the last 10 quarters to do an analysis. All right, let's go to FII DIA activity. So FII and DIIs are large institutions whose participation in the market has an impact on the movement of the market. So FIIs, which are foreign institutional investors, and DII are the domestic institutional investors. So ये बड़े बड़े institutions है that comprises of banks, insurance, mutual funds, etc. And इनके participation से market के movement में effect पड़ता है. And also आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट कि दैट डेटा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट अगेन सिर्फ इनके डेटा को देखकर आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड कि आप एक ट्रेड लो या अपना पोजीशन क्रिएट करो, बिकॉज द मार्केट इज सो वोलाटाइल दैट कोई भी एक डेटा के बेसिस पर यू शुड नेवर ट्रेड. You should look at a number of factors and then look at the price levels, because we always say price is God. So आप चार्ट देखिए, वहां पर प्राइसेस देखिए, इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस देखिए, एंड ये सारे डेटा से आपको एक ट्रेंड का पता चलता है कि हाउ these institutions are looking at the market. So this is just an additional data which helps you to identify the current trend of the market and how large institutions are perceiving the market. Again, if you are confused what the who the FII DIIs are, we have this information box for you, and we also have this blog. तो अगर आप देखिए यहाँ पर एक रीड ब्लॉग करके एक सेक्शन है. इफ यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक, this will take you to the detailed analysis of how you can use this feature, how you can use this data to your understanding, and कैसे आप इसको effectively समझ सकते हैं, and market को समझने के लिए आप कैसे इस data को use कर सकते हैं. However, I will just give you an overview. So today's data is not yet, updated, because it gets updated by 7 or 8 p.m. So we will just go with the Friday's data, but the cash data is updated. So if you see cash market में FIs ने आज बहुत marginal buying की. This is a very very small number compared to what they do, but DIIs were huge buyers in the cash market. So just a snapshot is giving us an overview that both of them are positive in the cash market. To understand this in detail, let's go back. And यहाँ पर एक FII DII एक्टिविटी सेक्शन है. अगर आप इस पर क्लिक करो तो आपको ये डेटा डिटेल में और ज्यादा यहाँ पर हमने प्रोवाइड कर रखा है, प्लस यहाँ पर लास्ट 7 डेज का डेटा है. सो लाइक आई सेड, एक पर्टिकुलर डेटा को देखकर आप कंक्लूड मत करिए. यू नीड टू लुक एट मल्टीपल डेटा पॉइंट्स. सिमिलरली ये FII DII का जो डेटा है, जस्ट डोंट लुक एट 1 डेज डेटा. यू नीड टू सी दैट ट्रेंड. That is why we have given you this last 7 days data, so you can see how they have been behaving in the past few days, and then just form sort of a conclusion and analyze how they are looking at the markets. So the derivatives data, like I said, is not yet updated. Cash market, we've already seen that in Friday, on Friday, if you see, FIIs were again buyers, and today the buying is less, but they are still net buyers. Similarly, DII were net sellers in the cash market on Friday, but today an increased buying can be seen from their side. So this is showing that both the large institutions are somewhat positive in the Indian markets. Moving to the derivatives data, that is the futures and options data. तो इससे हमें पता अगेन और ज्यादा क्लैरिटी होता है कि वो किस तरह से इंडेक्स में स्पेशली अपनी पोजीशन क्रिएट कर रहे. सो इफ यू सी देयर इज दिस प्लस साइन, इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस तो आपको इंडिविजुअली पांचों इंडाइसेस का यहाँ पर डेटा हमने प्रोवाइड किया है. जैसे कि अगर आप देखो, फ्राइडे को FIIs ने निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स में सेलिंग की थी, निफ्टी बैंक में भी सेलिंग की थी. सो इफ यू सी दिस रेड बार विजुअली इंडिकेट्स कि नेट सेलिंग हुई थी, एंड अगर ये बार ग्रीन है इट इंडिकेट्स कि बाइंग हुई है. सो विजुअली ऑल्सो वी हैव ट्राइड टू प्रोवाइड यू कि अगर आपको सिर्फ बस देखकर एक समझना है कि बाइंग हो रही है या सेलिंग, यू कैन जस्ट लुक ओवर हियर. रेड बार इंडिकेट्स सेलिंग, ग्रीन बार इंडिकेट्स बाइंग. तो फ्राइडे को हमने देखा कि FIIs ने निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी बैंक में सेलिंग की, मिड कैप्स में बाइंग हो रही है. So if you see, and if you look at the prices on the price chart, if you see, mid caps were doing well on Friday, and Nifty Bank have been range bound. So somewhat the data is related, and हम इनको एक connection हम कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. However, इसको और डिटेल में I'll just explain to you after this. Second part is FII index options. Index options में if you are an options trader, you might want to know कि options में वो क्या कर रहे हैं. तो अगेन निफ्टी में फ्राइडे को उन्होंने ऑप्शंस में बहुत ज्यादा बाइंग की, अबाउट 33,000 करोड़ की बाइंग हुई है निफ्टी ऑप्शंस में. बाकी सब डेटा में देयर इज जस्ट मार्जिनल डेटा. सिमिलरली स्टॉक फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस के डेटा भी अवेलेबल है यहाँ पर, बट अगेन इफ यू आस्क मी कि मैम इंडिविजुअली कौन से स्टॉक में उन्होंने बाइंग की, दैट डेटा इज नॉट अवेलेबल. सो वो आपको अवेलेबल नहीं है. प्रशांत जी, दिस डेटा इज रिलीज्ड बाय द एक्सचेंज एंड ऑफ द डे, इसीलिए दिस कैन नॉट बी अपडेटेड रियल टाइम. सो जैसे ही एक्सचेंज से रिलीज होता है वी अपडेटेड ओवर हियर. सो या इट इज नॉट अपडेट अवेलेबल रियल टाइम. Yeah, so let me just elaborate more on this. What I would suggest is, अगर आपको FII DII डेटा को और समझना है, डेली अपडेट्स में आइए. फ्यूचर्स OI करके एक टैब है यहाँ पर, जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर, देन क्लिक ऑन पार्टिसिपेंट्स। अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर हमने ग्राफिकली विजुअली आप लोगों को ये डेटा प्रोवाइड किया है, एंड दिस डेटा इज फॉर लास्ट 3 मंथ्स। तो अगर आपको एक एनालिसिस करना है कि एफआईआई का ट्रेंड क्या रहा है इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में, अगेन इफ यू सी बाय डिफॉल्ट एफआईआई इज सिलेक्टेड, इंडेक्स इज सिलेक्टेड, और ये आपको फ्यूचर्स में उनका ओपन इंटरेस्ट का डेटा बता रहा है। अगेन दिस डेटा फॉर इंडिविजुअल इंडाइसेस इज नॉट अवेलेबल, तो ये टोटल पांचों इंडेक्स का मिलाकर ये डेटा है। सो इफ यू सी मार्च मंथ में एफआईआईज वर नेट शॉर्ट्स, अगेन द रेड कलर इंडिकेट्स की नेट शॉर्ट्स थे, एंड ग्रीन मतलब नेट बाइंग हुई है, यानी कि नेट लॉन्ग है। बीच में अप्रैल में फॉर 1 or 2 days they were net longs, but again broadly until May they were net shorts in index futures. But if you see in the month of June, gradually the net shorts started decreasing, especially after the election results. And अब देखिए from 19th of June, the FII started buying in the index futures, and gradually आप देखिए ये long positions कितना ज्यादा increase होकर they are so heavily long in the Indian markets. What does this indicate? अगर हम last 3 months का data देखें तो initially FIIs Indian markets में positive नहीं थे, that is why वो constantly यहाँ पर short कर रहे थे, but post the election results they have turned positive. So it is indicating that they are happy with the current government which has been re-elected because of policy continuity. They are expecting that this government will be doing well, which is good for the Indian economy, and hence the Indian markets will be doing well. And we can see how they are turning so positive in the Indian markets that constantly they have been buying, and ये जो numbers है कितना ज्यादा high है. So it indicates that FIIs are highly positive in the Indian markets. What does this mean for the indices? It indicates कि जब index ऊपर जाएगा FIIs का support भी है, तो एक और upside जाने में उनको एक support मिलता है. So this data, positivity from the FIIs is lending support to the upward movement of the overall markets. That is how I understand this data. For me, if at life highs, if there is FII buying, I would expect that more upside is available, is there for the indices. Now you might want to look at the DII data. DIIs की तरफ से हम देख रहे हैं कि on one hand FIIs are heavily buying, but on the other hand DIIs are slightly short. This is not a very big short data, but on the other hand FIIs are slightly short in the Indian markets. Now if you are wondering कि client और pro कौन है, again I will suggest कि आप ये information box read करिए, and it will help you to understand the feature. But clients are basically the retail traders, investors like you and me who participate in the market, and pro indicates the proprietary firms, that is the brokerage firms who are trading on their own behalf. सिमिलरली अगर हम स्टॉक्स में आप देखना चाहे कि FII DI का क्या डेटा है, सो यू कैन जस्ट सी दैट DIs are heavily short in stock futures, and on the other hand FIIs are again net longs on in stock futures as well, and we can see in the market that stock specific movements हो रहे हैं, which is a good sign. So if you see the large caps are also performing, which are majorly in the derivative segment. So again this is one of the reasons why the large caps are also doing well, because the FIIs are broadly positive on the stock futures as well. If you are an options trader, तो आपको ऑप्शंस डेटा में इंटरेस्ट होगा, देन यू कैन जस्ट कम टू ऑप्शंस वाई पार्टिसिपेंट्स. यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस में कॉल एंड पुट में सेग्रीगेट कर रखा है. सो इफ यू सी FIIs आर नेट लॉन्ग ऑन कॉल्स एंड दे आर नेट लॉन्ग ऑन पुट्स एज वेल. सो हाउ आई लुक एट इट इज कि फ्यूचर्स में दे आर पॉजिटिव इन द इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स, एंड ऑप्शंस आर यूज्ड एज अ हेज. What they actually, how they actually use options is they are aware कि वो कैसे उसको देखते हैं. But मैं इसको कैसे समझती हूँ कि options are used as a hedge by the FIIs, and since they are long on both calls and puts, it indicates that maybe they are expecting large movements in the market. So this is one way of how I look at this data. Similarly, DIIs का data भी available है. So yes, Rajesh ji, they take positions in options as well. So if you can see under options UI, if you just click on DII, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इनमें इन्होंने DIIs are also long on calls and puts, but puts में इनकी बाइंग थोड़ी ज्यादा है, and they are short on index futures. Ashish, it is difficult to analyze ki why this happens, but broadly you have to see whose position is heavier. तो FIIs की buying इतनी ज्यादा है that it is adding support. So अगर contra में DIIs की थोड़ी सी selling है, so I don't think it is it does not have much of an impact. I may be wrong, but yeah, so this is not just uh, a very I think important point to look at. Vasudev ji, since the data is in green, so this is both call and put buying. We cannot call it as writing. अगर ये red में होता तो then it would have been call and put writing. तो ये दोनों green में, यानी कि इन लोगों ने buy किया है. Brijesh ji, like I said, what they are actually doing is difficult to ascertain, but हम एक net data देख रहे हैं. Net data में यहाँ पर है कि constantly buying है, and I guess अगर short covering होता तो वो शुरू के 2-4 दिन में short covering होके now maybe they are net buying. Also, अगर आप जाकर देखें, you can just click on this and you can just see इनका डेटा. तो इन्होंने लॉन्ग्स इतने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स किए, शॉर्ट इतने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स किए हैं. सो नेट में दे आर नेट लॉन्ग्स. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम आई थिंक डेटा दैट इज अवेलेबल एंड दैट वी हैव टू यूज टू आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Okay, let's move to the other topic, which is the IPO. So IPO, I'm sure all of you are interested in, waiting for newer IPOs to come in, because ये हमें नए opportunities देते हैं to invest in new stocks. Because वही stocks करके, I'm sure most of you are looking for newer opportunities, and IPO is a new opportunity for all of us. And recently बहुत सारे IPOs आए भी हैं and आने वाले भी हैं. So what we have done is हमने एक IPO section ही create किया है separately. So under this ongoing आपको बताते हैं कि कौन कौन से IPOs are available for subscription as of now, along with their open and close date. So that you don't miss. So if you are interested in applying to any of the ongoing IPOs, आप यहाँ पर आकर देख सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से IPOs अभी available है, and just choose the one that suits you and you can just invest your money over here. Also, we update how many times they have been subscribed, their offer price, and all the details have been updated. For some stocks, if you see, SME has been mentioned. So these are small and medium enterprise companies. So these companies have high growth potential, but again, they come with high risk as well. So these are the SME stocks. Apart from that, Emcure Pharma and Bansal Wires were the last IPOs that were available. They have been closed right now. The last date for subscription was 5th of July. So to know the upcoming IPOs, let's go to the upcoming section. So upcoming section में अभी दो SME IPOs है, which are set to open on 11th and 12th of July. Again, अगर आपको IPO के details देखने हैं तो you can just click over here and आपको ये सारे details available है. तो वो कौन से industry, कौन से sector से belong करते हैं, why are they raising their money. If you wish to know, read the prospectus, then that is also available. Who the promoters are. तो जो भी आपको IPO से related information जानना है, and I would suggest कि you should know before putting your money into a company, you can just come over here and click on the name of the company, and आपको ये सारे details यहाँ पर available हो जाएंगे. The last tab is the listed tab. Listed tab आपको बताते हैं कि recently जो भी IPOs आए थे, how they have been doing. So एक तो listing जिस दिन होती है उस दिन तो it is important to know. Also अगर आपको देखना है कि recently IPOs ने कैसा perform किया है, so again this is a very good section. You can just scroll down और आप देख सकते हैं कि recently जो भी IPOs आए थे, वो कैसा कर रहे हैं. So D Development Engineers है, 26 जून को ये लिस्ट हुआ था. So you can just see कि over its issue price it is still trading positive by 83%. Listed price से अभी भी ये 14% positive है. So this is how you can just track and just scroll down and if you want to do an analysis की latest जो IPOs आए थे वो कैसा कर रहे, तो आप यहाँ से listed से आप उसको track कर सकते हैं. Another thing that I would like to highlight is आप scroll down करिए and you can just see under Premium Edge reports there is this IPO notes. So if you just click on this, what we do is our research team creates an IPO note for some of the companies. I would like to highlight that this is not done for all the companies. Some of the companies this IPO note is made. For example, last it was done for Emcure Pharma. So what we have done is we have provided a snapshot of what this company does. There is a ratings meter. Similarly, if you go to Bansal Wires, so Bansal Wires, our research team had said that it is a good IPO. And if you click on this view report, it will take you to the detailed analysis of the company, the sector outlook, why the company is raising the funds, about the company. A peer-to-peer comparison is also done to see how this company and where this company stands with respects to its competitors. So जो भी आपको एक कंपनी के बारे में जानना चाहिए, you can just read from this IPO note, which will help to understand and analyze the company, and will help you to make an informed decision as to where whether you should apply to this IPO or not. So yeah. Uh, Deveshji, like I said, the IPO note is not prepared for all the companies. It is just prepared for some of the companies. So right now, for the SME companies, the IPO note is not prepared. So yeah. Deveshji, like I said, you can just click on the companies and just read about them. I'll just go back. Yeah, so you can just click over here, just read about the objective, read the prospectus, know about the promoters, and then you will have to take a call if whichever company is better to put your money in. That is why we have provided you all the details so that you can make your own decision. Okay, Vasudevji, I'll just show you how you can go. So on the home page, just scroll down. There is a section called Premium Edge Reports. Under that, you will find IPO notes. Secondly, just go back. Under this premium analytics section, also there is this edge report section. If you click over here, from the drop down, just select IPO notes and you will be able to access IPO notes from here as well. Okay, great. So let's just move to my stockage. So to be able to, utilize stockage to your full benefit, I would suggest all of you to import your portfolio to stockage so that you can use it to analyze and make, use our application effectively. So Vivek ji, we are not discussing scans in today's session. Sunita ji, if you can just post the result, the session calendar over here so that Vivek ji can join on the scans day as well. All right. So how can you upload your portfolio over here? Just click on portfolio. यहाँ पर एक plus sign आपको दिख रहा है. Just click on plus sign. You will have to give a name to your portfolio. So hypothetically, I am just giving a name. So, and I will click on add. After I click on add, it will give me options to import my portfolio over here. How can I do it? Broker Connect. अगर आपका account Zerodha, Angel One या Upstock में है, then you can directly import your portfolio from there. Just click over here and follow the steps, and then you can import your portfolio from these three brokers. Remember, only if you have a Demat account with these three brokers, then you can import your portfolio directly. Otherwise, you will have to use the other options. What are the other options? One is the CSV upload. CSV upload is basically you can just create an Excel sheet, create your portfolio in the form of an Excel sheet, and then upload that Excel sheet over here. Lastly is the manual entry. So I'll just show you how you can manually add your portfolio. So Anupji, know that you did not just add manually. You can either import your portfolio like I showed you through if you Angel One, Zerodha or Upstock, or you can also upload an Excel file. Okay, so let's go to manual entry. Pareshji, I'm just coming to your query. So under manual entry, say suppose I am holding Tata Steel. Just an example. This is just for an example purpose. And say suppose I'm holding 500 shares and my purchase price is 125. You just need to add the quantity at the rate and the value is automatically calculated. Since I need to add more stocks, I will just click over here, add another stock, and then click on save. So this stock has been, added to my portfolio. Next, suppose I have State Bank of India in my portfolio. Say I'm holding 200 shares and suppose my purchase price is 755. Again, add another stock is there. I'll click on save. Then next, suppose I have Tata Motors. Say I have 150 quantity, and suppose I have purchased it at the price of 1000. This is just an example that I'm showing. Then I suppose I do not want to add any more stocks. I will just uncheck this box and click on save. So as you can see, this portfolio is saved. अब आप इस पर क्लिक करिए. And then you can do your analysis of the portfolio. Also, before I go ahead, mutual funds, अगर आपको mutual funds भी import करना है, if you wish to add your mutual funds as well, so from the mutual fund section, just click on add and you can just import your mutual funds as well. एज इनसाइट्स विल टेल यू कि कोई भी आपके जो पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक है उसमें कोई इनसाइट है या नहीं है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल फ्राइडे को स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया टाटा मोटर्स में एज इनसाइट्स थे. So if you can see, State Bank of India was crossing the upper Bollinger Band. There was an insider deal, so on and so forth. तो एज इनसाइट्स आपको बताते हैं कि आपके जो पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक्स है उसमें कोई भी इनसाइट आया है या नहीं. Sector allocation tells you how diversified your portfolio is. So if you see, since I've added only 3 stocks, so this is how my portfolio is diversified. अगर आप अपना portfolio जब import करेंगे, so it will tell you कि sector wise as well as industry wise आपका portfolio कितना ज्यादा diversified है या नहीं है. Similarly, आप deliveries देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आपके stocks में किस तरह की deliveries हो रही है. टेक्निकल्स पर अगर हम जाए, सो इफ यू वांट टू डू ए टेक्निकल एनालिसिस ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक्स, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन टेक्निकल्स. जैसे कि मुझे देखना है कि बेस्ड ऑन मूविंग एवरेजेस वेयर इज माय स्टॉक करेंटली स्टैंडिंग, तो मैंने ईएमए सेलेक्ट किया. आई कैन सी कि स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, टाटा मोटर्स, बोथ दी स्टॉक्स आर ट्रेडिंग अबव ऑल इट्स मूविंग एवरेजेस. टाटा स्टील ऑन द अदर हैंड is trading above its long term moving averages but is below its short term moving average. सिमिलरली मुझे देखना है कि ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल से करेंटली स्टॉक प्राइस कितना दूर है. सो आई कैन जस्ट सिलेक्ट 80. देन यू कैन जस्ट सी दैट 912 इज द ऑल टाइम हाई फॉर स्टेट बैंक and currently it is trading at 856. So similarly you can just scroll down and do a technical analysis that how your stocks are doing technically. Indicator wise bhi you can just check how the stocks are doing and what the indicators are indicating. Similarly, अगर आपके स्टॉक में कोई चार्ट पैटर्न रिसेंटली बना है, that will be available over here. Since the stocks that I have added does not have any chart pattern, so no data found is shown. Let's go to past, and you can see last in recent times on 13th of May, a double top was formed in Tata Motors. So, and you can see a down move was seen from there. So so chart patterns from your portfolio stocks is available over here. Similarly, कौन-कौन से scans में आपके portfolio stocks आते हैं, you can just see. So as you can see, 3 of my stocks, these are the scans where these stocks are there technically, and even fundamentally it can be seen कि कौन-कौन से scans में my stocks are coming. If there is any edge report, any research report prepared by a team related to your portfolio stock, that will be shown under the edge report section. So if you can see, since there is a report related to public sector banks and we have SBI, that is why it is available under this particular report. So on and so forth. Even when the con calls are generated, that is also available over here. कोई न्यूज अगर स्टॉक से रिलेटेड आता है तो दैट यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. सो इफ यू सी, बोथ स्टेट बैंक एंड टाटा मोटर्स हैड सम न्यूज टुडे. कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन, सो जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे पहले, सो इफ यू डू नॉट विश टू स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड लुक फॉर योर पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक, आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक को इंपोर्ट करिए, एंड फ्रॉम हियर इफ देयर इज एनी अपकमिंग कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन इन योर पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक, इट विल बी शोन ओवर हियर. सिमिलरली जब रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो रिजल्ट्स भी आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. And if there is any bulk, block or insider deal related to your portfolio stock, that will be also available over here. So जैसे कि हमने देखा था कि स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में there was an insider deal on 5th of July. So if you can see, it is mentioned under the insider section. ऑल्सो अगर आपको अपना पोर्टफोलियो डिलीट करना है, सो यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन मैनेज, एंड मैनेज से आप अपने पोर्टफोलियोज में एडिट कर सकते हो. तो से सपोज आई वांट टू डिलीट दिस प्रीवियस पोर्टफोलियो, आई विल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस रेड बटन, क्लिक ऑन डिलीट, एंड दिस पोर्टफोलियो विल बी डिलीटेड. ऑल्सो अगर मुझे अपने पोर्टफोलियो में कुछ एडिट करना है, सो आई थिंक देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन, सो वी विल जस्ट गो टू स्टॉक्स, एंड यहाँ से अगर आपको कोई स्टॉक डिलीट करना है, मान लीजिए आपने उसको सेल कर दिया या आपको डिलीट करना है, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस रेड बटन एंड इट विल गेट डिलीटेड. या फिर आपको कुछ भी पार्शियली करना है, देन फ्रॉम दिस एडिट, इफ यू हैव परचेज मोर क्वांटिटी, क्लिक ऑन एड. if you have sold partial quantity, just click on the quantity, click on save, and that is how you can modify your current investment. Also, say suppose you have added a new stock to your portfolio, just click on add from here, and similarly manual entry करके आप अपना stock add कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. uh, so Paresh, you can just click on this modify button and just click on add or less, and accordingly just add your prices. And if you have further doubts, then you can just contact our customer delight team and they'll just guide you how you can do it. uh, Sunita Di, if you can just answer Rajesh ji's question. Vivek ji, if you have an account in Grow, then you need to either use the CSV upload option, or you will have to manually import your portfolio. Okay, so Ashish ji, just click. So suppose you have booked partial quantity or you want to make a change in Tata Motors, just click on this small square if you can see beside the delete button. Just click over here. If you want to add more quantity, click on add. If you want to reduce your quantity, click on less and then click on save after putting in the values. So this is how you can modify your investments. Anup ji, past performance of what? Can you please elaborate your query? Anuj ji, note section, you can just click over here and just write whatever note you wish to make and just click on add, and you can just make notes like that. Sunita Di, can you please answer Maniklal ji's query as well, please? Okay. Moving to the watch list. Watch list is similar to portfolio. It's just that आप watch list पर जाइए, click on add watch list. Again, give a name. So say suppose I'll just add a name. Click on add. फिर उसके बाद you just need to add your stocks. So say suppose I wish to add Ultratech Cement. I will just type the name of the stock, click on the star button, and it gets added to my watch list. Similarly, suppose I want to add Divis Lab to my watch list. I will click on type the name of the stock, click on the star button, and मैंने इसको add कर लिया. अगर मुझे इसको delete करना है, I will just click on this cross button and ये delete हो जाएगा. और add करना है, मैं add कर सकती हूँ यहाँ से. Similarly, the other tabs are all similar. Also, आप multiple watch list create कर सकते हैं and delete भी कर सकते हैं. So say suppose I want to delete this watch list. Again, just click on this delete button. It will get deleted. If you want to make any changes, click on this modify button and they will ask you to make the changes. So suppose you want to make this as your default watch list. It is giving you the option to do the same. Okay, Pareshi, I'll just ask the customer delight team to get in touch with you. Sunita Di, are you there? Priyanka ji, we are not discussing stocks and futures and options in this session today. If you are a club member, you can just post your query in the currency and commodity club and we'll get back to you over there. Anup ji, the portfolio section is for the investments made by you. It is not for the trades that you are doing. You can just create an Excel sheet for the same and you can just try if that gets uploaded over here. And if you still have any difficulties, you can just contact our customer delight team. विवेक जी, आपको ग्रो से ही कांटेक्ट करना होगा. दे विल बी एबल टू गाइड यू बेटर कि आप वहां से कैसे आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं अपना एक्सेल फाइल. सो इट इज बेटर कि आप उनसे कांटेक्ट करें. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट स्टॉकेज. मानिकलाल जी, नो, यू कैन नॉट व्यू पोस्ट और क्वेरीज अंडर पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक. अगर आपको पोस्ट और क्वेरीज देखना है तो उसके लिए यू विल हैव टू एक्सेस द सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म विच आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग राइट नाउ. Yes, I will be sharing the customer delights number. Just wait for some time and just share it before the session ends. So let's just go to social meanwhile. तो सोशल के लिए आप यहाँ पर ये जो बॉक्स देख सकते हैं, जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर एंड इट विल टेक यू टू स्टॉकेज सोशल. ओके, सो स्टॉकेज सोशल एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको स्टॉकेज के जो रिसर्च एनालिस्ट है, सेबी सर्टिफाइड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट है, उनसे दे अलाउ यू टू कनेक्ट विद देम. Also, it allows you to connect with each other. So P2P learning, if you see, is a club which allows you to connect with each other, जहां पर आप पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, अपने स्टडीज को शेयर कर सकते हैं. So this is how Stockage Social looks like. If you are a premium and a pro member, you only get access to this P2P learning club, विच मीन्स पेयर टू पेयर लर्निंग. यानी कि हम आपस में सब अपने स्टडीज को शेयर करते हैं और एक दूसरे से वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर ओवर हियर. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टॉकेज के जो एक्सपर्ट्स है वो यहाँ पर नहीं पोस्ट करते, दे ऑल्सो पोस्ट, बट मेजरली all our users are allowed to post over here and share their learnings. So if you scroll down, Abhishek ji, if you can see, इन्होंने अपने लर्निंग्स को यहाँ पे, स्टडीज को यहाँ पर पोस्ट किया है. इंफॉर्मेशन लोग पोस्ट करते हैं, तो आपको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना है सबके साथ विच यू फील इज यूजफुल, लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, यू कैन जस्ट शेयर. जैसे कि अभिषेक जी ने काफी सारी न्यूज यहाँ पर शेयर किया है. So I think he is the one who has last shared a lot of posts. And if you just scroll down, so okay. Similarly, this is the P2P learning club. So if you're a premium or a pro member, you get access to this club, जहां पर आपको you get to see the posts of your fellow peers. Also, blue tick members and yellow tick members also post over here. But to know about the stock queries, if you have any doubts, अगर आपको expert guidance चाहिए, उसके लिए you will have to join club. So you will have to take the club membership, and then you will get access to the following clubs. What are the clubs? वन इज द इन्वेस्टिंग आइडियाज क्लब. तो अगर आपको लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, फॉर दैट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर स्टॉक आइडियाज, तो जैसे यहाँ पर इफ यू सी इन्वेस्टिंग आइडियाज क्लब में अनिक जी, हु इज अ ग्रीन टिक एक्सपर्ट, he is an outside expert who does not work with stockage, but he is associated with stockage. So he posts his stock ideas in the investing ideas club. तो जैसे उन्होंने लाओ पाला से रिलेटेड एक न्यूज यहाँ पर पोस्ट किया है, मैरिको टाटा मोटर्स का अपडेट उन्होंने दिया है. सो इन द इन्वेस्टिंग आइडियाज क्लब, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, if you're looking for stocks for investment purpose, then you can come to the investing ideas club, जहां पर आपको लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए स्टॉक आइडियाज प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज द ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज क्लब. ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज क्लब में दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज, इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग या फिर फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस में ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज, स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशंस अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं, then you need to come to the trading ideas club. So if you can see, Ankit Jaiswal, who is also a green tick expert, had given a call on Fairchem Organics, and this is his update for that particular stock recommendation. Similarly, for Symphony, his stop loss has hit, तो इसीलिए उन्होंने एग्जिट कराने के लिए कहा है. ज्योति बुदिया जी, हु इज एन एस्टीम्ड एक्सपर्ट एसोसिएटेड विद अस, उनका एक फ्राइडे को सेशन हुआ था जहां पर शी हैड रिकमेंडेड अ फ्यू स्टॉक्स व्हिच वर डूइंग वेल टुडे. सो दिस इज व्हाट शी हैज अपडेटेड. Sauradeep Dey, he is a blue tick expert. He works for Stockage. He is directly associated with Stockage. He shares trading ideas in futures and options as well. So if you can see, इन्होंने आज ONGC में एक ऑप्शंस में एक ट्रेड स्ट्रैटेजी उन्होंने शेयर किया है, विच कैन बी डन इफ यू विश टू ट्रेड इन ऑप्शंस. Once this trade is closed, he will update that as well. So that is also done. So for example, Pawan Jain had shared a trade idea on Divis Lab on Friday, but since the top stock was trading weak today, so he has asked to exit at a loss of about 2500. So apart from that, cash stock ideas are also shared over here. So if you can see, Ankit ji again has booked 60% quantity in Mishra Dhatu Nigam, which he had shared today morning only. So yeah, sir, I am just coming to the type of experts. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll just explain the club. Next is the fundamental club. Now there are doubt solving clubs. Under doubt solving club, one is the fundamental club. So you as a user can post your queries under the fundamental club if you wish to know about the fundamentals of a stock. तो किसी स्टॉक के फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पर फंडामेंटल क्लब में आकर अपना क्वेरी पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि राकेश जी ने वोल्टाम ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स पर फंडामेंटल व्यू उनको चाहिए तो उन्होंने पोस्ट किया है. केजी जी ने किरी इंडस्ट्रीज में अपना क्वेरी पूछा है. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट इन दिस क्लब व्हेन यू पोस्ट योर क्वेरी, because we have to do a detailed analysis of that particular company, it takes 48 hours for us to reply you back. So when you post your query, we will give you a message that we have noted your query, but to give you a proper answer, it takes 48 hours. So you will have to be patient when you post your query in this club. 48 hours बाद हम एक डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस करके आपको इस क्लब में रिप्लाई करते हैं. सो इफ यू कैन जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जैसे कि विकास जी ने सुबह मॉर्निंग में जेएसडब्ल्यू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में क्वेरी पूछा था. तो फर्स्ट वी एक्नॉलेज दिस क्वेरी एंड लेटर वी हैव गिवन आवर फंडामेंटल व्यू ऑन द क्वेरी एज वेल. तो कोई भी फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस आपको चाहिए, कम एंड पोस्ट इन द फंडामेंटल क्लब. अगर आपको स्टॉक में टेक्निकल व्यूज चाहिए, देन कम एंड पोस्ट योर क्वेरी इन द टेक्निकल क्लब. तो टेक्निकल क्लब में जैसे कि कुलबीर जी ने आरवीएनएल में अपना एक क्वेरी पूछा है. सिमिलरली देयर इज अ क्वेरी ऑन ग्रीव्स कॉटन. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस क्लब इज ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट आवर्स वी रिप्लाई यू विद इन 5 minutes. So if you see that he had posted his query 4 minutes ago and his query has already been replied. So if you need a technical view on any stock, especially the cash stocks, you can post your query over here. Next comes the future FNO club. If you are a derivatives trader और अगर आप futures and options में trade करते हैं और आपको किसी derivative stock का future and option के point of view से view चाहिए, तभी आप यहाँ पर post करें. सो देर आर मेनी स्टॉक्स जैसे कि केजी जी ने अंबुजा सीमेंट का उनको फ्यूचर व्यू चाहिए फ्यूचर्स में या ऑप्शंस में. सो ही हैज पोस्टेड ओवर हियर. बट अगर आप ये स्टॉक को कैश में होल्ड करते हैं और आपको कैश पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से व्यू चाहिए, इक्विटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप उसको टेक्निकल क्लब में पोस्ट करें. ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट आवर एफएनओ क्लब में आपको 20 मिनट्स में रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है. So if you can see, Anu ji had asked a query on Zydus Life Sciences. So since I'm a part of the FNO club, so I reply over here. So you can just see that the query was replied. So similarly, if you have queries on any FNO stock, post your query in the FNO club. Otherwise, post your query in the technical club for a technical view, and fundamental club if you're looking for a fundamental analysis. There was a query related to commodities. तो मैम आपका जो क्वेरी था, देन यू कैन जस्ट आस्क इन द कमोडिटी एंड करेंसी क्लब. सो जो भी कमोडिटी रिलेटेड या करेंसी रिलेटेड आपके क्वेरीज होते हैं वो आप यहाँ पर पोस्ट करिए. Parijat is a stockage part of stockage community, and he is a SEBI certified research analyst. He will respond to your queries over here. We also address queries related to mutual fund. So अगर आपको म्यूचुअल फंड से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेरी है तो आप म्यूचुअल फंड क्लब में पोस्ट करिए एंड वहां पर we respond to you over there as well. Okay, coming to the experts. So I think we have discussed the doubt solving, stock ideas, and peer-to-peer learning club. Institutional reports are again outside institutions with which we have tied up, and they keep sharing their research over here. So Kotak, Swastika, NeoTrader, Astika, these are the brokers that we have tied up with, and you can just if you wish to access their research, you can just join these clubs as well. Okay, coming to the experts, just a second. Okay, so the blue tick experts are basically stockage analysts. So they work for stockage, and we are a part of the stockage team, and we are all SEBI registered, and we solve your queries. We also share trading ideas and stock recommendations in the trading ideas and invest in trading ideas club. And if there is any query that you have, you can post it in the relevant club, and your queries will be answered. Again, I would suggest for quick response, then requesting you to post it in the correct club so that you get a quick response. And these time frames are valid for during the market hours. So post the market hours, the responses may take time, but during the market hours, these time limits are properly followed. So you can just choose your expert. You can either choose to follow all of them, or you can just select whichever expert you wish to follow. Coming to the market, green tick experts. So green tick experts, like I said, are also SEBI registered experts, and they share their research with us. So they mainly post in the trading ideas club. So what, and in the investing ideas club. So for long term investment picks, they post it in the investing ideas, and जो भी short term या 1 to 3 months के time frame के होते हैं, that is shared in the trading ideas club. So if you're looking for stock recommendations, you will have to follow the trading ideas club and the investing ideas club. Also, I would like to highlight that as a user, you cannot post in these clubs. You can just comment on their posts, the posts made by these experts, but you cannot make a fresh post over there. If you have a query, you need to post in the technical or the FNO club. Yellow ticks are domain experts. If you they generally share their research in the P2P learning club as well. So you can just follow them, and you can just gain insights from their learnings as well. The best part is that these yellow tick members, they share their learnings in the P2P learning club. So if you do not wish to upgrade to club, you can just follow these yellow tick experts. And but however, again, for stock recommendations, you will have to follow the trading ideas club. Also, there are 3 major handles from our team that you should definitely follow. One is the stockage trades. So if you just see, stockage trades is the research team of stockage who shares their trading ideas. So you can see कि इन्होंने 5 star business में recently share किया है अपना एक trade. So the levels have also been shared by them. And also, whenever you need to book profits or exit a trade, that is also updated by them. So I would suggest that you follow stockage trades, follow stockage insights for any insights related to the market as well as to stockage. So you can just scroll down. So the FMCG sector was doing good today. So they have created a post and updated you regarding the same. They also share such kind of chart patterns that are made during the market hours for you to understand and also follow such stocks. And then there is the stockage learn handle, which keeps you updated about the upcoming events that are happening, and also shares learning knowledge with you. So you can just follow the stockage learn handle as well. Also, there is the customer delight handle. Customer delight handle shares all kinds of updates, events that are happening, and also the recordings of the session is also shared by the stockage customer delight handle. So for today's session, the recording will be available, and it will be shared by the stockage customer delight handle in the P2P learning club. So I think by tomorrow the recording will be shared. And in case you wish to look for recordings, under the search section, just type hashtag, type recordings, and you can get all the recordings of all the recent sessions that have been done at stockage, and all the recordings are available over here. So either you can look for stockage customer delight in the P2P learning club, or you can search by using this hashtag of hashtag recordings. We also have an option of bookmark. So say suppose you like a post, an informative post, and say suppose you want to just save it. So on this right side, if you can see, there is this 3 dots. Just click over here, click on add bookmark, and this post will be saved. Then you can just go to this bookmark section, and आपको ये post यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. Also, to be able to get notifications. Say suppose you are following, say suppose you are you like शौरदीप डेज पोस्ट एंड आपको अपडेट मिलना है कि भाई जब भी इन्होंने कुछ पोस्ट किया है यू शुड बी नोटिफाइड ऑफ इट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस बेल आइकन and whenever he makes a post you will get the notification. So say if you wish to get Vivek sir's post notification, just go to his profile, click on this notify button, and whenever he makes a post, you will be getting an intimation that Vivek sir has made a post. And also to access Vivek sir's post, you will have to be a club member because he generally posts in his own profile, and all his videos, his stock recommendations, everything is shared by him as well. So if you're looking for stock ideas by Vivek sir, then that can also be accessed from this Stockit social platform. Okay, FNO Club, there is a question. Sir, if you just have, if you are interested in futures and options, just go to FNO Club, and any query related to a stock which is there in the derivative segment can be posted over here. And during the market hours, we will get back to your query within 20 minutes. Post the market hours, the query response is slightly delayed, but during the market hours, it is within 20 minutes. So any view for any FNO related view, you need to post in the FNO club. So Vetrival ji, I think I've answered your query. Rajesh ji, Naresh ji, I think green tick, blue tick experts are clear to you. Chaudhary ji, we are not discussing about the fundamentals of the company in today's session. So please join during the fundamental session. Omkar ji, Trading Ideas Club, the trading ideas are shared over here. And whenever there is an update for any of the trading ideas shared, that update is given. So there is no ETA for Trading Ideas Club because it is not a doubt solving club. So there is someone by the name of iPhone. Sir, I would request you to, watch the recording of the session of today's session. And if you have any queries, you can contact our customer delight team and we'll help you over there. By someone by the name of SS, sir, definitely the customer support team will get back to you. Sunita ji, please look into this query. Vivek ji, the customer team will guide you about how you can take the club membership. Sunita ji, again, please look into this query. Maniklal ji, like I said, you can just click on this notification button. So say for learn handle or for any expert, you can just click on this notification button, and then you will be updated. Say suppose you have taken a trade. I'll just say for example, you have taken this trade on ONGC and you want to be updated whenever there is an update. Just click on this notification button, and whenever there is a notification or update related to this post, you will be notified. Naresh ji, whenever we get an opportunity, we post the investment or trading ideas. So you just need to follow the club. I think you can just uh, okay, yeah, you need to just follow the trading ideas and investing ideas club and just see. Also, if there is any expert which you like and you would not want to miss any update from them, so you can just go to that person's profile, click on this notification button, and whenever that expert is making any post, you will be notified. Vetrival ji, again, Sunita Di will get back to you. Sunita Di, can you please just see here, sir's query? Okay, for recordings, sir, like I said, it will be posted in the P2P Learning Club by the Stockage Customer Delight handle. To look for recordings, just go to search, click or type hashtag, click on recordings, just select the recordings, and then you can see the recordings will be available. Also, what I would suggest is you can just follow this hashtag as well. So it will help you to access the recordings. Anup ji, yes, to make a watch list, you will have to manually add the stocks. Suresh ji, if you have any query related and you wish to connect to Vivek sir, you can contact our customer delight team, and you can also post your query in the respective club. Omkar ji, like I said, a trading club does not have any ETA. Whenever there is an update, it is updated by the expert. Naresh ji, you need to be a part of the club. So you need to take club membership if you're not a club member, and then you can just go over here and click on the Investing Ideas Club and click on join. Anuj ji, maybe because you're a premium user, Sunita ji, can you please help Anuj sir to find the recordings? All right, so thank you everyone. That is all from my side. If there is any question, or else we'll just wind up the session for today. Okay. Omkar ji, for Fundamental Club, the query resolution time is 48 hours. For Technical Club, it is 5 minutes. And for FNO Club, it is 20 minutes. Post the market hours, it is difficult to say, but we try to maintain our time. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in.